The Jinko Eagle Continental is a solar panel for residential use. The module is manufactured by the Chinese giant Jinko Solar and is 80 inches by 40 inches in size. This panel boasts a rated power of 390 watts. The expected production is slightly lower at 290 watts. A system of about 20 of these modules would meet the needs of most households. The panel's efficiency rating of over 19% is right within the industry standard. Jinko Solar is a Chinese brand and at times the largest solar panel manufacturer in the world. Their Eagle panel comes with a 25-year warranty for both the product and performance. The product warranty is higher than the industry average of 12 years. The module is expected to maintain at least 83% of its nominal power after 25 years, and this is quite enough. Overall, it's a good budget-friendly option for a small solar system. Just like any other solar panel in the US, it is eligible for solar tax credit, and you will be able to deduct 30% of the PV installation cost from your income taxes.